Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So how many times do you hear people say they want a fabulous bathroom? And we've done some really great bathrooms, but this one takes the cake. When we came to this bathroom, we were really excited because we had almost 400 square foot of space to work with. And when she said she wanted to make it fabulous, we said, okay, let's do that. They started with almost a 9-foot garden tub, which was huge. It was more like a hot tub than a bathtub. But it really wasn't the best utilization of space. We knew that we could give her a nice soaking tub and make it more functional and beautiful. The shower started out kind of small, so we wanted to enlarge that and make it fabulous as well. Let me show you those. When we say spa-like shower, we're not kidding. This is massive and it's gorgeous. There's a 12 by 24 vertical Calcutta tile around the wall with a glass deco, and it's perfect. The colors offset each other beautifully. With a stone mosaic on the floor, it's functional because it's not ever going to show dirt or grime, but it's also really pretty. This shower does not have a door. We just did a glass panel. There's a really large bench there. So ladies, we all need that bench for shaving our legs, or if you just want to hang out in the shower for a while. The polished chrome fixtures are just a classic finish that looks really beautiful here. When it came to cabinetry, she wanted a really classic look. So she went with a white raised panel that has a smoke accent, and it just gives it a little bit of detail that looks really nice. The island is a light fog. We've got crystal pulls and Everest countertops. These Everest quartz countertops have just the right amount of bling. And doesn't everybody want a fireplace in their bathroom? This was already here, but we gave it an update with a subwide tile that's beveled, new quartz hearth to match the countertops. It's perfect for this space. If you're not sure how your space will look, F&S can help with 3D renderings. Give us a call.